Deserve.
Deserve, deserve, deserve.
Gentlemen,
Ay.
the champions of the world, the Northern Lights, Aurora Gavin
I love you guys.
Oh, deserve. Grabe. Sa wakas. Sino mag-aakala, ha?
Aurora's return to the world stage with lights
Yung,
shining
yung
brighter
choker
than
nyo,
ever.
ayan na. Na-choke Rora.
In your eyes. Now, let them see you claim what is yours.
Boys, Aurora Gaming Philippines,
Wala gyapon ta isa.
Wala gapon.
lift your trophy in a count of 3. Gather around the trophy.
Oh my God, goosebumps.
3, 2, 1. Congratulations!
Oh, go you win.
Yay! Yay! Ay! Grabe, grabe, grabe. Grabe. Sa wakas, may title na sila.
Go Light. Nasa tamang team ka, Light.
Nasa tamang daan ka.
Grabe.
Grabe, parang wala si Domingo.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, to commemorate this historic moment,
Yan dapat,
we would
no?
like to welcome on
Iban
stage
ang Freya.
Mr. Cloud Jen,
Pinuprove
CEO
nyo kasi,
of
TL.
our champions.
Nakaya nyo. Oh, yun. Dalawa, 4-0
This
sila.
title belongs to every player, every coach, every voice behind the scenes. This moment makes every sacrifice.
Uy,
Coach
sinuot niya.
Dexter, Manager Matthew,
Uy! Si Kalad. Ay, si
Oh,
Matthew.
Matthew
Matthew
nga.
pala, si Matthew. Ah.
Kalad.
Edward.
Edward in EXP, Demon Kite in the jungle,
Sa wakas! May title na agad sila.
in the gold lane, Light as a roamer,
Go Light.
Yowe!
in the mid lane.
Yowe! I'm so proud of you, Yowe. My God. Proud na proud ka lang yung mga ano diri. Oh, kapo ano.
Yes, I love you all guys.
Mid lane.
Aurora, show us those shining medals and look at the camera for a quick photo of. This young team has been challenged by
Sa wakas! May ring na kayo! May ring na agad sila sa wakas. Ay, Diyos
belief
ko.
and sacrifice. And of course, history has a way of remembering nights like this.
Gold ring. Oh my
And now,
God.
their names have become part of the story.
The M7 World Championship ring is made of solid 9-karat gold.
Ooh!
Silver 925 tribute ring, a base like the fans supporting their champion. This year, M7 World Championship rings are designed with the MLBB fans in mind.
Go Kalad.
supporting their
Deserve it.
dreams too.
Deserve na
Beside
deserve.
the
Oh,
teams,
oh, oh.
Therefore, Ferry created this tribute ring to pay tribute to all MLBB fans around the world.
This
Yeah.
ring symbolized dream,
Edward! Sa wakas.
skill, hard
Go
work,
Edward.
and
Deserve na
dedication.
deserve.
Deserve.
Go Demon. Deserve na deserve.
Ay, sa wakas may title na rin sila.
Hey, Serena, don't you think the rings are so nice? I wish we got one too. Guess we gotta prep for M8. Ooh, that's very interesting.
Go Light. Deserve na deserve.
Ay, si Yowe!
Deserve na deserve.
It looks like the rings are all placed on the entirety.
Paldong-paldo si Wise ito. Ang laki ng panalo niya.
defended the title they roared before this match, and now they did.
6 times, oy!
Grabe lang masing-sing, oh. Tragis.
To the champions, you know what to do. Show us your best poses as we do a quick photo op.
Makakompleto na yung bahay mo, Dexter. Ano na, matatapos na.
Deputy Dua, Executive Chairman of Philippines. Finally, to celebrate the player who stood out.
Edward! Edward!
Edward! Edward! Edward! Edward! Edward yan. Wala nang iba. Edward. Edward. No other than Edward.
So, Tennis Indoor Stadium. Who do you think is our M7 Finals MVP?
Edward!
Edward! Edward! Edward!
Edward!
And the M7 Finals MVP is...
Edward! Hello?
Lloyd!
Lloyd!
Hello, bakit si Lloyd?
The best player from the best
Hindi siya makapatid.
Ay, akala ko si Edward!
Nakailang MVP ba siya?
Madami.
Di Light or Edward?
Sa pila ka games na ba sinauhusan niyo si Edward?
Uy, di ba? Nakita agad ang talent ni Light.
Congratulations, Light. Hoy, pa-picture muna.
Tennis Indoor
magsiselo
Stadium
si Pamela.
Sanayan is frantic as they celebrate Light as the final.
We deserve it, all the hard work. And especially to my girlfriend that kept supporting me and being patient with me instead we don't have a time. He still pushed me to do my best.
If you could talk to your former self right now, Yue, what would you say to your former self?
I just want to my previous self, I'm finally a champion!
Woo! Yue!
A world champion at that.
And yun, napulot namin ngayon. And yun.
Go, Edward!
Kasi, ayun nga, ikalawang title na namin to and ikalawang title ko na to and walang nag-expect.
He said that he's actually expected them.
Yes, wala talagang tiwala. Kami lang. And ang mga solid supporters.
Everyone is overwhelmed with joy. I think even the fans of the building are overwhelmed.
Go, Domeng!
And of course, to
Yun nga, sa lahat ng doubters, simula nung nag-start ako talagang marami talaga nagduda sa akin kasi yun nga, dahil sa mga lagi kami natatalo and ako yung nababash. So parang tinitik ko lang siya, take advantage sa akin, parang mas maging lesson pa siya sa akin sa mga susunod. And syempre, yun nga, yung nag-motivate talaga sa akin yung mga sinasabi ng tao. So parang tinuloy ko lang siya, yun, parang in-inspire din nila ako.
Pinakain mo na si Oheb.
he said that in his journey, it's never.
Gusto ko muna
Oy, ganda ng draft mo today, ha?
Sa coaching staff and
Ha?
management namin na binigay talaga lahat nila para makarating kami dito. And sa buong boss, sa lahat ng mga boss ng Aurora na nagtiwala.
One, a round of applause once more for your M7 World Champion, Aurora Gaming Philippines!
Ay, Diyos ko. Nakaka-proud to be a fan of Aurora. Sa wakas, may title na si Yue and Domeng Kite. Sa wakas. Grabing exposure, ang tagal. Go, Ward!
Once again, Aurora Gaming Philippines. Now please take your trophy with you and commence your champion walk.
Wolf Proud boys, you have earned this moment. The Wolf is